Go home, go there. So we created Dhaka, Romna, hospital, right? Two ways you can go. You can go CD, Dhaka, then CD, Romna, CD, hospital. You can go this approach, no problem. But there is another approach you can do. CD space / Dhaka, and then tab on it, it will show you what is inside the Dhaka. You tab on it.
Doing the tab at CD, Dhaka.
You don't need to hit the slash. Hit the Dhaka / tab, so it will show you.
Then we can use the Ramana. Then if it's
You can tab again, it will show you. So lim means one time you are just going to the directory immediately. That's the you can call the, you don't need to go to the CD. You just know what you have to do. Just type the main folder directory name / and then you just tab on it. It will show you everything else. And you just go there. That's how it is. So you are literally, it takes 30 seconds there, and here it takes really 5 seconds. That's how it is. Okay, hit enter. So you are directly there as well. Another approach is CD one folder at a time. You can do that as well, no problem. Or CD 2 folder at a time, 3 folder at a time, there is no problem. Means it is allowing you to do the multitasking without you have to go single task.